So, the year is 2023. It's becoming harder than ever to make money dropshipping in the last 7 years that I've been doing this. With nefarious characters not shipping products out, thousands of new courses being released, and competition getting fierce. What do you do? In this video, I'm going to show you a strategy using sales funnels that you can use to take any product and turn them into $1 million winners. So I'm going to show you a product that we were dropshipping that failed, that completely stopped working using Facebook ads, running it to our Shopify store. I'm going to show you how we took that product and applied my sales funnel strategy and used it to scale it up to $1 million in sales. Alright guys, so without further ado, the product right here, which we scaled to well over $1 million using this strategy, was the ear candles. Okay, so this product, it's kind of like this cool ancient like Indian healing thing, and what it is, like, they put this candle inside the ear and it's supposed to kind of draw some of the wax out.
Nice.
So what happened was, we were running this product, we were running it on our Shopify store, and after we did about $50,000 in sales, it started to die out, right? So then we're hitting about 60,000, 70,000. By this time, the margin was just gone. The cost per sale was too low. So instead of letting this product just completely die out for us, what we did is we moved it into a Clickfunnels. So Clickfunnels is a tool you can use to build sales funnels. It's been around for years and years and years, and not a lot of people know this. What you can do is actually integrate it with your Shopify store. So you go into clickfunnels.com, you create an account, and within the settings, you can actually connect your Shopify store. So when you sell products within Clickfunnels, they'll actually get forwarded over to your Shopify store. So you'll sell them within Clickfunnels, and then all the orders will come through automatically into your Shopify store so you can fulfill them. So why would you want to do this? You want to do this because the average order value is so much higher when you run it on Clickfunnels. The checkout pages convert better. You can put really long copy and you can completely customize the look of your funnel completely. So let's get into the funnel. I'm going to show you how it looks. I'm going to show you why it works better, so you can just copy this and use it for a product that you're selling. And if you want to know how to actually get an exact copy of this funnel, I can actually give it to you. Stick around to the end of the video and I will explain how you can get this entire funnel for free. So I'm going to open it right now. Let's open up this so we can see Clickfunnels here, Hope You're Healing, we call it sales page. Over on the left, what you can actually see here is we have a sales page, we have an order form, and then we have the one-time offers, okay? And finally we have the thank you page. Now the really cool thing about Clickfunnels is there's no limit to the amount of one-time offers that you have. So unlike Shopify, where you have apps like one-click upsell, these apps, they usually allow you to have one upsell and one downsell. Or if someone says yes to the first upsell, you're allowed to offer them one more upsell. With Clickfunnels, you can have unlimited upsells and downsells. If you want to add 10 different offers into your funnel that they see after purchase, you can do that. So let's go ahead and we're going to first look at the sales page. Okay, cool. So here we are. Here's the difference, okay? We were selling this on our Shopify store without any kind of branding. The brand was called Conscious Cart Co. And we put Hope You're Healing ear candles by Conscious Cart. So the Shopify was Conscious Cart Co. and the branding of the funnel was Hope You're Healing. So we went ahead and made I actually did this myself, some really basic logo in Canva. And instead of having this really boring Clickfunnels page, really boring Shopify page, we can have this really interesting full-on sales page within Clickfunnels. So today you can do this with apps like Pagefly, for example, within your Shopify store, but you're simply not going to have the checkout hacks and things to increase your average order value, nor are you going to have the upsells that are possible within the Clickfunnels. So I'm going to go over, first of all, I tried to bring up all of the sales data for some reason it's not displaying any of the data and all of the upsells, which is where a lot of this other money is, because we did well over $1 million with this offer. But you can see here we had $669,000 with an average cart value of 39. But this isn't accurate because for some reason ClickFunnels can be a bit buggy and it's not showing the numbers from the upsells. But just so you can see, we did these numbers. It's real. It's no bullshit. And I'm showing you this one because it's an older offer, but we're still doing this today with amazing results. And this is how you can go out and just dominate other drop shippers, other e-com guys, because you're getting a much higher average order value. So first of all, let's look at the sales page. So you can see we have like a couple of images here, really basic. Ear candles, try it today, experience the magic at home. So we have an ancient healing practice with miraculous benefits and experience at home. So we're talking about the benefits here. We have a testimonial, we have some featured in, money back guarantee. And then we have like a bit of how it works, like what is it and how it works. So when you have like this hero section, you keep it really simple. And if I can show you this here, so that's the next video I'm working on. But yeah, on mobile, you see it's really simple, and we actually have, you can see more of the benefits here. Naturally removes earwax, removes impurities and toxins, promotes relaxation and stress relief, relieves head pressure and migraines. So these were some of the benefits I found researching the product online, and it's really simple. We got the branding, the logo, we got a headline, images, benefits, and we have a buy now button. Then below we have the 60-day money back guarantee, featured testimonial. Next section is always the what is it, like how does it work and what is it. Talking about the benefits of it. So here we have, all these different benefits. Again, nothing with claims or anything like that. If you want to add more claims and benefits to your products, it's going to help it convert better. But I think we removed them to avoid any kind of policy issues with Facebook ads. Then, we've got the customers' testimonials. Bring it back to desktop. Customer testimonials. What exactly are Hopi ear candles? So we have the history, how it works, who benefits, money back guarantee. And then we have experience it today. Again, just a CTA area, sending them to the checkout page. Lastly, frequently asked questions and reviews. So doing this, it just converts a lot better than Shopify. It just works better, gets better results. But here's where the real magic is. If we click buy now and we click get my ear candles, this is where the magic of ClickFunnels can really happen. Yes, on Shopify you can create kind of bundle offers on the add to cart page, on the product page, but you can't edit the checkout page like you can in ClickFunnels. So right here you can see, look, we have one for $22.99, we have two for $30, we have three for $39.99. So what we can do is add these unlimited variants onto the checkout page, and then we can highlight the hottest deal. And then what you can do is actually split test highlighting this one versus highlighting the 5 or highlighting the 2, and you see whichever one converts better makes you the most amount of money per visitor. So now if we scroll down, it actually gets even more interesting. So not only do we have like different trust signals, testimonials embedded in here, we have an option to have credit card and PayPal here, but what's really cool is the order bump. So we can have these order bumps here. Yes, add 10 ear protectors. So this is an example of kind of like a cross sell. We're offering them something that actually helps what they're buying, right? So if they're buying the ear candles, they want something to protect their ears and their hair so the kind of wax or whatever doesn't fall on top of them. So they have these ear protectors. So what do? We say our ear protector disc go at the bottom of your ear candles to stop the wax from falling on your ear. Highly recommended to avoid the mess. Only $9.99 today, including rush shipping for your entire order. So what we do is we do this really simple order bump that makes it just really irresistible. And that is an extra $10 per order. I think we had like an 80% take rate doing this. Another really cool thing with ClickFunnels, if you want, you can add multiple order bumps. So instead of just having this one order bump, we can have an additional order bump with another product, or we can have 3 order bumps. We could have one that says, just rush shipping and order protection, another one for the ear protector discs, another one for a complementary product. So these checkouts just completely change the game in terms of your average order value that you can achieve. By doing this, you can then scale this product to much, much greater levels. So I'm going to move on past the checkout now. I'm going to talk about the upsell pages. So I like to have a really simple structure for my funnels. First of all, I like to offer them more of what they just bought. The second thing is I like to offer them a kind of complementary product, something that ideally helps them with what they already bought. And the third option, the third upsell, I like to offer them a different product, something that they also might be interested in that we can kind of brand and sell as the same. So I'm going to show you the order upsells here. And you can see there's 2 pages. And that's because in ClickFunnels, they allow you to split test the pages, kind of similar to like they do in the upsell apps of Shopify. But here you can do a lot more cool and custom stuff. So I'm going to open up this one. I'm going to open up this one. So the first one is, would you like to add one more with a new customer discount? I'm going to say add one more candle set for only $7. This, when we were selling this, it was so cheap for us to fulfill. I think it cost an extra $1 or $1.50 to add an extra one. So we were just getting these crazy take rates, offering it for $7 and adding a lot of profit to every single order on the back end. The other one, we had add one more, add 2 more for $14.99. Again, you can play with this. Like, let's say you could do a 3-month supply and a 6-month supply. That also works really, really well. If they say no to it, you can then take them to one that's less, or to buy one more, for example, as a downsell. Really, really simple copy, really, really simple pages that worked amazingly well. They continue to work. So next up, ear protector discs. Let's go ahead, open this guy up. All right, so let's open the next one too. Again, really simple. Step 3 or 4, would you like to add ear protector discs with your candles? Add 5 or 10. Complementary product, right? This is complementary, it's like a cross sell. So they bought the ear candles, they need these discs. They're really, really cheap for us to fulfill, and they have that way we can sell them cheaply and have a really high take rate within the upsell funnel. Lastly is the complementary product. So this is something kind of completely different to ear candles, but the kind of people who buy these weird ear candles for healing and all this crap, they're probably interested in something like this, foot detox patches. So we then offer them that for only $8.99. Yes, very cheap, because the costs on these were nothing when we have them in the same warehouse as the ear candles. This would just incrementally add, all of these offers would add another $5 profit, another $5 profit to the orders. And ultimately, these funnels convert great, and because we were selling this stuff quite cheaply, we're getting a really high conversion rate. So these offers are adding these massive profit increments to our orders. So that's how the funnel works, guys. That's how it works in ClickFunnels. The thank you page, very basic. You can see below here we have a healing box, and then we had a bracelet and free ebook. And that's the beauty of ClickFunnels and these funnels. You can just come up with different offers, and you can split test them, and you can see whatever works better for your offer that you're running. So this, look, we actually had this subscription box, Conscious Jewels healing box, and this was a subscription. I don't remember the take rate. The stats aren't showing, unfortunately, but we were just adding subscriptions as part of the upsell process. Really amazing, really, really amazing stuff. And the other one was some kind of spiritual crystal bracelet. So you got to look at what your niche is, and then look for those complementary products to the order, and then also just look for kind of related products that people might like to buy. So I'm gonna have a look at this. Would you like to add so we have the chakra bracelet and also digital products as well. So it's another cool thing you can do. You can add on things like this, digital products with the physical products, combine them to boost the perceived value. So guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave it there. I just wanted to drop this video, explain to everyone. You can go and use ClickFunnels for your Shopify product, massively increase the average order value. You do this bulk pricing like this, you highlight the higher offer, you then add on the order bumps, you then add on unlimited upsells of complementary products and related products. Do this, try this out. I'm gonna, if you leave a comment below, just comment funnel, and I will figure out a way to give you this exact funnel template so you can just with one click import it into your ClickFunnels account. So highly recommend you do this. It works completely different to any kind of page builder on Shopify and any kind of upsell app because it's not limited by the Shopify ecosystem. So hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and stick around for one of my next ones.